The publicity stunt, because skin bleaching takes a real long time. She's got this new song out. It's called Black Hypocrisy. And she talks about colorism in the black community.
Get it, Spice.
You will tell me I bleach my skin. Okay. You saw where I was going. You know, skin bleaching is very prevalent in the black community, but it takes more than just an overnight. But this is a good job, though, because now we're talking about you, Spice. I don't even know who you are, but good for you. Spice's reggae collaborator is Vybz Kartel. Vybz Kartel is in jail, right? But he does admit to bleaching his skin, Vybz. He uses cake soap. Yeah, they call it cake soap, and he bleaches his skin. I guess that way you can get it all up there everywhere. You know.
Meat joke.
But now people are talking about Vybz' 13-year-old son, Lil Vybz. Lil Vybz. Look at Vybz. Anyway, look at the boy. All right, there's him before.
Do to Omi Elliott work for mix up. That's some real self-hate, man. I'm sorry. You can do a lot. In the name of my baseball playing friend who did the most. So ridiculous. Sammy Sosa. Yes, he did the most. And then when you do it, like when you're black and you bleach your skin, you actually turn pink. So then you can't go out in the sun. You know, you can't wear lace because it rubs against your skin, I guess. You know, you can't do anything that irritates. And like, you're virtually like, and for what? And for what? Wait, we skipped over the story I wanted to do. I know Amy Schumer's pregnant.